Hi, I'm Cody with Engine Tech, and today I'm going to cover a couple of the frequently asked questions about our head gaskets. So the first question is, do I use a copper coat or some kind of sealant on our head gaskets? The simple answer is no. Any kind of use of copper coat or sealant on our head gaskets will result in a void of warranty. And the second question is, which side of the head gasket goes up? While there's not just one good constant answer that's correct for all head gaskets, there are some good rules to follow. For example, if there are any markings such as front or top, that typically will go towards the cylinder head side. Also, if there's elastomer only on one side, that's typically also going to go towards the cylinder head side. You also have one side that will typically have more exposed metal than the other side, and that side will go towards the block. These are not always the correct answer, and there are some exceptions. So what you'll want to do is make sure you're looking at what you're pulling off of the original and make sure that you're matching that up and not blocking off any passages.